Broken bolts cost thousands in tows and repair.
This Kenworth in today. Got towed in for a fuel leak. Thought I was gonna be in the fuel tanks or something. You can see that. There's a lot of fuel coming right here from the bay. So far what we have found. I don't know if you can see that bolt right there. You guys guess what that's from? Fuel pump. Fuel pump blew up or came off or something. Started leaking a bunch of fuel. There goes the other bolt back there. You get to see that one. There it is, the second one. We'll go ahead and take it all apart and then see what we're dealing with. Let's go. Update on the pump. It is not looking good. Ah, fucker. Fuel pump, high car, filters, clips, everything. Looking car. Could not afford to put aftermarket stuff on this fucking unit. It will come back. We are not in the business of doing warranty work. Let's get it. Oil pressure. I have to jump it.